Hey everyone, hey everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to What's the Tea? And I'm your girl Tay, and I just want to tell everyone happy Sunday, happy Sunday, happy Sunday to everyone, and good afternoon. So today we have Livy Pooh. I see she had uploaded a video last night. And she has the kids, guys. She has the kids with her, and they are at I guess, some type of bouncy house place, and it's a lot going on right now, because she's there late. I don't know what time she had got there, but it looks like apparently that the place is getting ready to close down. I see the guy is in the video. He's putting up the chairs and everything. So I don't know if she got up and went the last minute, because you know how Liv is. She does everything the last minute. So let's get into this video and see what's going on.
Pizza? Yeah, that pizza not good. I don't want to take that pizza anymore.
Okay.
I don't want that pizza anymore. No, I don't want to take it.
All right, cool. You don't have to.
It's nice. I don't want
You don't like that?
No, I don't like it. I like the old pizza at the house.
At the house? Okay.
Old pizza at the house.
Oh, hold on, Papi. Woo! Now your girl's full as hell. Hi, honeybee.
Well, we can tell, guys, it seems like she's most definitely getting her eat on. Okay? All right.
Girl. Look at big head little boy. Big head little boy. You got a big head. Mommy's gonna sit for 5 minutes. Let me sit for 5 minutes. Why didn't you go around? Go, run. Go around. Go. He's scared. Ooh, yeah. Go, baby. Okay, well then you better wait. There's nothing to be scared of. Oh, I'm so full. Oh my God. Where's Christian?
Here she goes. She looking for all the kids. Don't know where they at. Want them to get the baby. Girl, bye.
You gotta go with them anyway. I don't even know where they are. I don't see them. I kind of want to jump though. Chuck E. Cheese? Nah. Urban Air? I don't even think Chuck E. Cheese is still open right now. Is it? You guys think so? Thank you, Jay. Hey, Lady K. Oh my gosh. AJ, no. Sit right here. Look. Sit right here. Sit right here. Sit down. Hey, you want some ice cream? Sit down. Sit down there. Sit your butt down. We're gonna go bye-bye. Okay, let's go bye-bye. Because you're acting a fool. Then
You guys, can I agree? AJ, baby, he be giving her hell, baby. Remind me of a little bitty Dennis the Menace, okay? He's something else, honey. He works the hell out of Liv's nerves, okay? We can all agree on that. And like I said, this place is getting ready to close. I don't know what Liv was thinking or whatever, And apparently AJ is tired, irritated, or whatever the case may be. But let's carry on.
stop.
Mommy.
What? Ooh, it's my phone. 1 second. 1 second. You are Get out your pants. No. What I say? You're gonna wait. I don't care about none of that. Give you ice cream right now. Boy, who do you think you are?
Now, this behavior with him, she needs to really nip this shit in the bud because it's like really ridiculous. How she sits here and goes back and forth with this little bitty chow. Okay? When I said something, this is what it is, and that's that. She be arguing with him back and forth. It's like it's ridiculous, girl.
You better chill out. I'm trying to clean up. Girl, he be getting on my damn nerves. Ooh, wee.
Girl, we know he get on your nerves. You don't even got to tell us. We know.
Well, why did you come down here? Go play. Look, there's Ryan. Ryan, come here.
See, that's the problem. He be looking for Olivia's attention, not no other kids, not Ryan. Every time you get on live, that's why he marks you and acts out like that because he wants her attention.
Where's the simp applications? I don't know, but this is my song too. AJ. Just crying all the damn time. You should have ran to Ryan. She gone now, homie. Now you stuck like Chuck. Yeah, he said, give me ice cream. I'm so freaking cold. Hey, Jen. He took a long nap before we got here.
Girl, he ain't take no nap. She know that.
Ugh, I need some more napkins. Look, there you go. Take him to go play when you're ready. You're gonna, why? He said something to you again? Okay, don't worry about it. What the hell? You better go have fun. We're gonna leave soon.
Whoever that was probably said something to her to let her know, like, y'all the last family in here. We need y'all to spend the close in a little while. Wow. So he did say to her that, like, we're closing. What's going on? Like, right. Olivia is so fucking tacky. That's like that tacky ass little dress that she has on at a jumping place with her girdle underneath.
Kai, right there. Right there. She be wanting to play too. She thinks she grown.
I can be Barbie with us.
About to be 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let me go get them.
Hey, Kylani, want some water? I mean, some lemonade before we go back?
Do they sell them right here?
Yeah, I do.
Ask them how much they are. We'll ask them.
We'll give Kylani some of that.
Her little turkey goblin neck is on live, and she got these kids going back and forth. Like, you should be going over there and asking them that. You know what I'm saying? She did not have to come on live right now. It's crazy.
Come here. I want her to drink some lemonade.
Let me go buy Dippin' Dots, yeah. Hold on. Hold on. And guess what? Hold on, yeah. Let's go get them. Ooh, I'm getting Dippin' Dots. No, we're not leaving.
Kylani, come back.
Kylani, can we have Dippin' Dots? What flavors do you have? Can I get one banana split, one cookies and cream, and one cookie dough? Cookie dough. Sure, you eat that?
Oh, what else you got?
No, give it 2 cookies and cream.
I like cookies and cream. Okay, what else you got?
Rainbow. You want rainbow?
Rainbow.
Yeah, rainbow.
What if you can create your own website by saying, this is what I want? With Wix, you can. First up, let's talk about AI color themes. You can get any combos you want, bold and bright, minimalist and sleek, or something you didn't even think of.
With your siblings, okay? With your siblings, okay?
What is she talking about? Okay, let me
Where's Kylani? Oh.
fast forward this just a little bit.
Are the spoons over here? Spoons?
It's not that cold.
No, AJ gotta be dramatic.
Kylani's enjoying it.
Sure is. Kylani's not new to this. She's true to this, okay?
Hold on, let me give you a little bit.
Hey, what's up, mummies?
Baby, she is getting her eat on. She is enjoying every bite. Oh, look at Robin. She looks just like her dad. All 3 of the Web3 looks just like their dad. I don't know why she be saying they be looking like her. No, they don't. Okay? They look just like their father, honey, and it is what it is.
More. Say more.
Hey, y'all.
More. Say thank you.
What does yours taste like? Like, yours are stuck together, baby. You should put the top on it and like bang it.
Yeah, baby.
So they
What made her put on that dress, y'all? Look at how it is when she sits down. She thinks she's banging. Girl.
Thank you.
You kept screaming my face.
Oh yeah, yours is done. It tastes like Skittles. It tastes like Skittles. Oh my god, baby. AJ, wait. Here, take some mummies. Ah. Oh my god, mine is good. Where is Ryan? Ryan!
No, mommy.
She needs to come over here.
She's gonna start.
She's gonna get the hell away from that bathroom. What the fuck is she doing next to that bathroom?
I'm going to play with her.
In the bathroom?
No. Near the bathroom. They keep running in the restroom, that's why.
Okay, they need to get the hell out the bathroom. That's not making sense.
Right. Get your ass up and go get your child while she's by the bathroom.
Why are you trying to end her live? You just was. You just trying to press that X. Yeah. You want some more? More.
AJ be getting on all their nerves, honey. I remember when the Web3 was coming over, and Robin used to get AJ right in order for real.
Y'all want some Dippin' Dots? Let me get y'all some. Patrick, that's not how you spell my name. Pops, that's not how you spell my name. Not no disrespect, I'm just saying.
You so golf?
Yeah, we're having fun. A, Mom, that's not how you spell my name, I'm sorry. TJ, hey, Robbie. Hey, TJ. Y'all want some baby dolls here?
Oh, look at the Web3, guys. I am so glad she got up off her ass. And even though if it was at the last minute or not and took them out to do something late last night, they look just like Gerard, honey. Okay.
T-Talk say, hey, everybody. You want some more? I'm not your mommy, I'm Robin. Say Robin. Robin, I'm Robin, I'm not mommy.
Robin say, I'm Robin. She didn't even say, I'm your sister. She said, I'm not your mama. I'm Robin. Say Robin.
Kylani said, hey guys.
Hey, I can't tell her to do that. I ain't playing no more.
You guys excited to see them? I wasn't gonna come live this whole weekend,
Here, Kylani, you want one more?
but
Here, Kylani, one more bottle.
But you just had to come live.
her and these boys, they've been playing tag. Lil Ryan's butt. It's cold. I'm so sure. Don't be tattletelling. She's tattletelling. He's tattletelling. Ooh. How you guys come over here and get locked in?
They escorted her a little bit.
Ooh.
She was on live, guys.
Chocolate or this ice right now. Jen, are you still in here? Robin wants to have her birthday party here. I think it's a good choice.
I don't care.
I don't know if they still want this. I'm just gonna throw it away. I'm gonna throw this away, y'all.
Okay. Do it away, girl. Do whatever you need to do. What is he doing? This nigga done threw up something.
No more hand sanitizer. Oh shit, there's another mess right here. Alrighty. Let me see if any of these cups are empty. No. This one's kind of empty.
Just look at her tacky ass gat. Gat her undergarment is showing all through the dress. You know, I don't know if I guess the dress is too short or whatever, but Liv is weird.
All right, cool. Now the area is clean at least. Ooh. Hey, Liv girl. Hey. What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? Oh. All right. Cool. For real, not him in the camera putting gang signs. Ooh, somebody was? Okay. I'm sorry, y'all. Sorry. I'm so freaking cold. Dreadhead. Oh.
Mama. Mama.
That's that way it's not in your face.
This is ugly.
No, it's not. That way it's not in your face. It's not ugly. You look beautiful. No.
Mhm. She knows Liv do not know how to do no weave because she definitely was not when Liv had her kids. She was not putting weave in her hair. So now that Antonisha and Gerard has them, Antonisha gets they take them to get their hair done and they get braids. And Liv don't like that. She like the weave is taking their hair out. That's what Liv said.
They came up. Some of them came up.
Yeah, she's been doing her nails, y'all.
Yeah, I had to peel them off or nothing. It just came off because we was playing too much. Where is Christy right now?
I don't know, but you better go have fun with them because we're gonna leave in like 10 minutes.
Who?
We're gonna leave in like 10 minutes.
No, at 10 o'clock.
No, baby, we're gonna leave at.
No.
Through Rula, it's easier to connect with a therapist.
Hi.
Where Kylani?
I don't know. Over there, she said somewhere over there with Christian. Look at that monkey. That monkey's so funny.
Y'all better hurry up, baby. The place is gonna close. All right, y'all. We're gonna fast forward it a little bit. Let's see.
You too. What? She was asking me what her favorite food is. Girl.
You know your YouTube?
No, she was talking to me about my dress.
She liked it?
Yeah. Her favorite food. Ryan's favorite food. What's Ryan's favorite food? She loves chicken.
Honey, she haven't had them kids in over 5 years. She does not know their favorite food nor their favorite color. Okay.
Junk. It's hard to get her to eat a real meal for real. But I'm working on it.
Like earlier today, she said like she didn't eat. What was called?
She ate some chicken though. I gave her some chicken. I wanted her to have protein.
They in there. They're right there.
So she ate some chicken.
They in that spot where you told us not to jump with Kylani, but they not jumping in.
Robin, go get Kylani. We're about to leave. Go get her.
No, it's not 10 yet. It's not 10 yet.
Her favorite subject in school?
She don't know. Right. Lisa told no. You don't know. Okay. You haven't been calling them kids or nothing. So you definitely don't know. And if you were calling them, you ain't asking the shit that you need to be asking. Pathetic.
Just been sitting here. You haven't been doing that.
Yeah, if I was running and stuff, you're right.
Girl, where's Kylani at? Unattended. Like, what is Liv doing?
Me? What y'all think?
Probably.
No. She wishes. I know. Blended be on top of it. She sure does. We're at Urban Air. We're about to leave though. We got here like around 5.
Can y'all believe she said she got there around 5? I can't believe that. I cannot.
Excuse me. I'm sorry. Kristen! Look at them. Oh, yeah. Mine's so damn blurry. Kylani! Look! Hi! That looks so fun.
Okay. Like they having a good old time in the balls. You keep your eye on her, Libby.
What happened? What? What happened? Come on, they're in the ball pit. Come around with Ryan. Come on, bring them around here. Grumpy pants, I swear, this child. Be careful, Kylani's right there.
I wonder if AJ will ever get a chance to know Zolo or not. Probably not. Tragic. Such a shame.
Why are you scared? Robin, stop throwing. No, you're going to hit Kylani. Stop. Brian, don't kick her. Where are you going? Where the hell is he going? AJ! Oh, he's going around. Okay. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. I don't know where the hell he was going.
Just jump.
Oh my God.
That's my whole thing. Okay, Liv, that's good that you're enjoying yourself with the kids. But if you knew where y'all was going, why did you put that damn dress on? For real. She be doing too much.
Hold on, let me get out. Wait, let me get out. This is not easy to walk through. Oh shit, I don't think I can get out. Hold on. What happened to her?
Robin, keep on going.
I can get out. Hush. Robin, stop. Give me her.
Baby Robin be messing them kids up.
Help me up. What happened? What? What happened? What? I'm home.
Okay, y'all. Now y'all know that's a shame. That's why I say she should be watching those kids at all time. And you asking what happened. They're not telling you. You should have been right there, Olivia, paying attention to your kids. I mean, come on. She's ridiculous, for real.
No what? Came in here. We're not getting back in the boats. We're done. We're gonna go bounce. Okay? You want to bounce? You want to jump? What is all over her face?
I'm sorry, y'all. I got to say something. Kylani has been having that cough for a long time, and I know she keeps saying it's not asthma, it is allergies. I don't know what it is, but the amount of time the coughing has been going on. I'm not a medical profession or anything, but it's kind of worrying. It's kind of worrisome. You know what I'm saying? And it's getting worse. The cough. It's like, I don't know. It might not be allergies. It might be asthma. Because she shouldn't keep coughing like that over and over again. And she looks sick and she looks tired. She probably didn't even want to go. When is the last time you took her back to the doctor? You know what I'm saying? Like, this cough is steady, is persistent. You know what I'm saying? Count the minutes of the cough. I don't know. I don't know. It's crazy. Let's finish watching this, baby.
Christian, get out and hold her, because I need to get out. I can't get out. Christian! I'm stuck. This would be a cute picture. Help me, get her. Yes, get out. Watch her arm, baby. I got out. Kylani, get off the floor. Girl, I do not care about none of that. Let's go. Because you tripping. You tripping. What'd you do? I don't know, baby. That was so hard to get out that. No, let's go jump over there. Yeah, come on. That was so hard to get out of there, y'all. You want to jump? Yeah? Okay, go jump. Oh, shit. Jump, mama, jump. I want to jump, too. Fuck it. Get a little exercise in. What, mama?
She's tired, she's sleepy, and she don't feel good, Liv. I mean, just get her and tell them kids, let's go. Period. She doesn't feel good. Girl, look at them tree branch legs, honey.
No, stop.
A CR.
You wanted the ball.
That baby don't feel good.
Let's go. Okay, we're leaving. Let's go home. We have to, baby. She's tired. She's going to keep crying and carrying on because she's tired. Robin and Christian, let's go. We got to go. Your sister's freaking out. Ugh. These are mine. I'm sorry. Okay. Robin and Christian. AJ, let's go.
Oh my God.
I can't see. Wow, Christian. All right, come on, dude. Let's go. Hey, Robin. Okay, go, Christian. Oh, Robin. Come on, girl. No, don't pull on your sister. What? They're playing right there. Do it right here. Come on, let's go. Here comes her coughing.
I'm sorry, guys, but when I say the coughing is just constant, 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 and I'm timing it right now. And it's every 2 minutes, ain't even giving you 3 minutes. It's like, come on, what is going on with this child? You need to take her to be seen by someone else.
What? Christian. Go, Christian. Go, Christian. Woo! You got so close. What? Okay, then get down. Cry, baby. Ooh, wee, honey. Now she doesn't want to trip. No. Girl, come on. I saw you.
Wow, where did the ball spot come from in her head? Damn.
Tired. That's what she's doing. She's tripping. That's all. She's just tired. We have to go, y'all, because she's tired. Okay? Chris, AJ, no. Get out of here. Okay, I'm leaving. Bye. See you later. You guys don't want to come? Let's go. Let's go now. Ryan, let's go. You wanna do a backflip for them? Hurry up, do it. Because we're about to leave. Let's this one. Oh my God. Come on, Ryan. My little fairy. Come on. She was a fairy. Oh, yeah. Okay, come on, let's go. Hey, no, okay, I'm leaving. Bye. Mommy has to go. I gotta go. Robin, let's go.
Baby, she needs some type of butyrol, some type of nebulizer treatment, something.
I literally just ordered one. Literally just order one, girl. Can one. Oh, you guys talking. Wow, my place. Oh, shit. Oh, my God, I almost fell twice. Ooh, that's no bueno. Okay, let's go. We're leaving. Ooh, we're leaving. We're leaving. Let me finish. Yeah, that's ours. Come on, we're gonna go bye-bye, okay? Go home. What? Yeah, hold it, okay. What is that? Now
Poor
she's
little
coughing. Like, what is that? She wasn't
child.
coughing all day. Now all of a sudden she's coughing.
Yeah, she's been coughing. Your ass ain't been on live for us to know.
We gotta go. We've been here for 5 hours, y'all.
5 hours? That's not enough.
That's not enough? That's not enough. You everybody got their shoes? Christian, your shoes ready.
Let me have some.
Everybody, get hand sanitizer right there. Hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer. Christian, give her the cup.
Okay, guys, we are going to cut it short on Miss Livy Pooh, but I did want to read some of the responses, comments in her comment area. Somebody says, Hey, Liv, try the Vicks Vapor Rub. It works for me and my daughter for congestion, asthma, allergies, and more. We put it on when she falls asleep during the day if needed. And someone said a prayer for Kai Kai, Heavenly Father, blah 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 blah. And she sends a prayer. So another person says, "Do Kai have asthma?" Kind of sound like it. Another person said, "Let's see. Let's pause this." Another person said, "Live. Maybe it's asthma. Just another thought for the cough." Like, right, exactly. Somebody said, another person said maybe it's just asthma, so I'm saying the same thing. And if it's not just asthma, the doctor needs to know how consistently she's coughing. That's not no normal type of thing. If she was in a daycare or something, they'd be like, she's coughing a little bit too much, mom. She needs to be seen. So that's it for my tea and what I got to say about Mrs. Livy Pooh for this weekend from last night. I hope you guys enjoy yourself and have a happy Sunday. I'm about to get myself ready and try and figure out what I'm going to make and cook for my kids for this Sunday. And you guys have a blessed Sunday. Until next time, I holla.